How are you feeling?
Nervous.
What do you think it is?
I think it's a boy.
And if it's not a boy?
It's a girl, and I will love that child. Either way.
Yeah, I'm
Boy
so
or girl.
nervous. Oh my word.
Slap me.
Okay, so we just finished our doctor's appointment, and here's little baby. I'm so excited. I literally cannot contain myself. How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
I know.
I think it's a boy.
I also
It's a boy.
still think it's a boy. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'm so excited. Oh God.
We are super excited that the Lord has blessed us with a new little one and an addition that we are going to love so much in this next season of all of our lives. I think it's going to be a little girl, but even though so, whatever in the end it will be, we're going to love you too much, to the moon and back. I know that you're going to bring so much joy, and we can't wait to see that little face soon. Love you lots, Pops.
Hello, little peanut. This is your Glammy speaking. I have a feeling that you're going to be a girl. But if you're not, and you're a boy, I'm going to love you to the moon and back a billion times.
Hello, little peanut. I'm your Granny Karen, and I think you might just be a little girl. Can't wait to meet you.
Hallo, so ek gaan jou oupa wees en ek dink jy gaan waarskynlik 'n seentjie wees wat lekker saam met my gaan sokker speel op die gras. As dit 'n dogtertjie is, gaan ek ook bly wees want dan gaan jy heeldag op my skoot sit en glimlag vir my en lekker dogtertjie goed saam met my speel.
Môre Shanay, dis oupa hierso. Oupa dink dit gaan 'n dogtertjie wees. Baie sterkte vandag en ek hoop julle geniet dit en wat dit ook al is, dit is die Here se wil. Dis 'n mooi oomblik vir julle al twee. Lief vir julle twee.
Hello, little peanut. I am your auntie, and I think you're going to be a girl. But either way, I already love you, and I can't wait to meet you.
Hello, Peanut. I am your soon-to-be uncle, Uncle John, and I believe you are going to be a boy. And if you're not a boy, then you're a girl. But I do believe that you are a boy.
I'm the baby's great aunt, and I think it's going to be a baby boy.
Hallo, klein babatjie. Ek is jou tannie Dominique en ek dink jy is 'n meisie.
Hello Peanut, this is your dad